Wow. I mean, okay, welcome to video 5 of putting a new fence. If you want to see the first video, it's video 10, top left hand side. So yeah, that's where we started.
Yes.
You want to tell us about the tree?
Okay, so this is like a very old tree and it's like dead, so we need to take it down.
Yeah, it's very loose. We don't even want to push it because if we push it, it feels like it's just gonna
fall.
Yeah. So before we put the corner posts in the fence, even though we need to push to get it done, we need to bring this down first. Otherwise it comes down on our lovely fence.
Yes, or onto the school, which we don't want, or onto the garage, which we don't want. So it's going to fall over eventually, so we might as well just take it down.
Yeah,
So
just
it's
bring it
very
down.
unstable.
So, but I'm going to show you guys just quickly what did we actually use, or what are we going to use today. Okay, for cement, 5 bags or 50 kilogram 32.5 general purpose. For the corner post, we've got 76 by 76 millimeter poles, 2 millimeter thick, and then the height is 2.4. Gives us about 60 to 80 centimeters to go into the concrete. For the aggregate, it's just simple builder's mix. It's basically stones mixed with sand, nothing special. That's what we're going to use to anchor the corner post with.
We're going to start open. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
This is nice.
It's like this.
You look all over there. You want to come over?
Yes. What is this?
Okay, so the idea was to do it like we did the other trees, climb up, cut it down, here just the safe way. Unfortunately, the tree is so loose, if I put the ladder against it, it's like it wants to go already. So we threw a rope up and hooked it around the tree. We're going to just see if we can seesaw, get it to come at least towards us would be awesome, instead of on the house or the roof or something. So let's see how this goes. Okay, ready? Whoa! Is it gonna mess the roof there? Can I go check? Okay. That's fine. That's fine. No, it's not loose. Okay. Okay, move away, move away. Wow. I mean, oh my goodness. Mama.
We didn't even cut it or anything like that. You literally just pulled it over.
That's
like insane. You could have fallen on anybody.
Imagine there was a strong breeze, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so
There was no
wow. There's no roots.
There's no roots. Oh my sack. It's like no roots whatsoever was holding this thing together.
Yeah.
Check how it's rotten.
You're actually breaking the roots off of your hands.
It's like nothing. Look at that.
Wow.
That's a safety hazard.
Only a small one, huh? And then the rest of the tree.
Beautiful tree though.
It is.
I love the green moss. How it grew.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the tree down and we're just going to move it one side so that we can actually get the corner posts in so we can get the fence up. So for now we're going to leave it all looking like this. So yeah, and it's got a weird smell, the tree. It's very old. Sounds like chemicals, I don't know. Weird.
Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Okay, so just to give you an idea how it's going to be. So you're going to start here, and then we're going to run every 3 meters. We're going to put a corner post because the palisade's not 3 meters long. We are ignoring the width of the pole, which is 76 millimeters, so that if the pole's off a little bit or a little bit, then we can just cut it a little bit. So each and every palisade will be cut to fit between 2 corner posts.
Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. Hold you on the ground, make your eyes roll out. Kiss me all around, baby, do you like the sound of my wasted love? Wasted love, of my wasted love. Yeah, it's just me and you.
So day 1, cut down the tree, planted 3 poles instead of about 18.
Yes.
Very far behind, but it's okay. And then we still need to top off with another cement here, cement at the bottom. Just gets to the level. It's a little bit overkill. Normally you put about 1 wheelbarrow of concrete into a pole. We're going to be doing 2, 3 by the looks of it, but it's going to be solid, which is awesome.
Yes.
And then yeah, so today just carry on. So let's get started.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our hearts implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
We end up day 2. I think we're both really smashed.
Yes, good time.
Yeah, today was a good 8+ hours of work, and we couldn't finish. We are only 4 poles away, but we need to use the chainsaw to get rid of the roots. And on Sundays, the community has a bit of an issue if we make some noise.
We can't use a chainsaw or any loud noises. So
Yeah.
that's why we're also not using the auger,
Yes, we also
And
not using all.
the dolomites. That's also why we're not using it.
Yeah, the dolomite as well. So yeah, what we're doing now is simple. We're gonna stop, and we're gonna see tomorrow after work if we can carry on.
Yeah.
Maybe add the footage to the video,
Yes.
and show you guys how it works. So tomorrow we're gonna do 2, and maybe on Tuesday 2, and
Yeah.
then we're done. Then we can wait for the weekend for the cement to cure. Put palisades up.
catch me now. I can't leave. Hold me now. I'm yours now. Believe your love explodes. Our hearts implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh.
Okay, number 13 was hell. It took us 2 hours to complete. A whole Monday evening gone. 14 and 15 was a lot better. Went quick, done quick. Guys, like always, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be safe, and yeah, see you next weekend. Cheers.
Yeah, 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 yeah.